Hello student, this video lecture is prepared for particular technology subject and I will discuss the unit number 4, that is known as the filtration. In last lecture I had discussed the washing press construction, and in today's lecture I will discuss the working of that washing press, then what are the advantage and disadvantage of the plate and frame filter press, and then we will discuss the vacuum filters. So let us start the lecture. So this washing press construction I had already discussed. So this washing press is used when you have to carry out the throw washing. Throw washing means complete washing of that cake. So at that time you have to use these washing plate. So that this part I had already discussed in last lecture. So by using that third plate, we are forming a channel like this. Okay. So this is your frame. This is plate. That is a third button frame. This is again frame, then plate. Then during the filtration run, that means when the slurry is going in this washing press, wash channel is closed. So this wash channel is closed by valve on the head of the press. That means initially you have to close this wash channel, and the filtration is carried out in the non-washing plate. So these are the non-washing plates. So this is non-washing plate. This is non-washing plate. One number is the non-washing plate. And frame described earlier. That means we have already discussed in a filter press that how the filtration is taking place. And when the frames, that means these frames are filled by the solid, then that filtration channel is closed and the outlet cocks, that means these cocks are closed. That means if we are having these three button plate, that this is called a washing plate. So you have to close these and you have to open these valve or cocks. So if we look at this figure, so here this is feed. So from this the feed is going, and first we have to carry out the filtration through these holes. Okay, so the channel is formed like this. So this is channel. So channel is formed and the filtration is carried out as described earlier, and then you have to close that pipe or channel. So you have to close this. Okay, and then again you have to close the washing plate. So these are wash liquid is having inlet from these holes. Okay, so the washing plate is having two inlets, that is here for wash liquid and here for that feed. So you have to close the wash plate cock. So these are the wash plate cocks. So three button is wash plate. So you have to close that and open the one plate button. So these you have to open. And after the filtration run is over, then you have to send the wash liquid. So this wash water you have to send through this channel. And when this wash liquid enters between the plates, so these are the plates and frames, it will wash this cake. So the cake is from here. So here, and after washing, that liquid is going through this outlet provided. So this cock is open. So that wash liquid is going outside or through this channel. So there is at bottom there is also channel is formed. So that from that channel that washed liquid is going out. So in this way we can carry out the washing of that cake. So these are the two types of a washing. So in this case you have to just feed the wash liquid here. So there is no third plate. But in case of washing press we are having third plate and there are two channels are formed. In previous case there is one channel is formed. Okay. So in this way we can carry out the washing, and this is called a washing press. Then we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of the plate and frame filter press. So what are the advantages? Simple in construction, low cost, low first cost, that means purchasing cost is low, maintenance cost is also low. It provides larger filtering area per unit area of the floor space occupied. Okay, so that filtrate, so this provides larger area. So this is the larger area because the filter cloth is placed on this plate. So it provides larger area. Then high operating pressure can be easily obtained. We have already discussed that 700 kilopascal or 7 megapascal pressures may be applied. It is possible to alter the capacity. That means capacity means how many liters of liquid per hour is going through this plate and frame filter press. We can change the capacity. Then the majority of joints external, so leakage is easily detected. So these are, if we look at this figure, so joints are visible from outside. So if there is leakage, we can easily detect that leakage in this case. Then flexibility. Flexibility means operation conditions. You can change the pressure of that plate and frame filter press, inlet pressure, outlet pressure, or you can change the capacity. So this is called a flexibility. And disadvantages are labor requirement is very high. So you have to open this press after the filtration is over. You have to remove this and you have to take out these plates and frame separately, and you have to scrape that cake through the plate surface. So the labor requirement is higher in this case. Then it is a discontinuous operation. That means it is not a continuous operation. That means batch operation. And periodic manual dismelting result high wear of the cloth. So the filter cloth life is relatively short. So the filter cloth, as I had shown in this figure, so this is filter cloth. So repeatedly if you are taking out this filter cloth, washing, then again you have to fit that filter cloth on this plate. So doing this filter cloth is having less life. Life means it will worn. So you have to change that filter medium, that is filter cloth. Not suitable for through output. Through output means higher output. If you want to increase the higher capacity, this is not possible in this filter plate and frame filter press. Pressure frequently drip and leak, making housekeeping in the area problem. That means leakage problem is most important disadvantage. So the filtrate may be leaked from these points and it will wet the area. Wet means WET, wet the area where this filter press is placed, and you have to remove that water or filtrate from that area. So this is called a housekeeping. Okay, so housekeeping is a major problem. Then washing of the cake is likely to imperfect. So if we are using only simple washing, it is imperfect washing. So why the washing is done? To remove the impurities which is placed on this cake. For that purpose we are doing the washing in a plate and frame filter press. So the washing is imperfect if you are using just a simple washing. Okay, so these are the some advantages and disadvantages of the plate and frame filter press. Then we will move the next filter, that is called a vacuum filter. So first, what is meant by vacuum filter? Filter which operate with less than atmospheric pressure on the downstream side of the filter medium and the atmospheric pressure on the upstream side of the filter medium are referred as vacuum filters. Okay, so you have to operate the less pressure on downstream side. So this is the, suppose the downstream side of this filter cloth or filter. Then you have to apply the vacuum here, and atmospheric pressure is on upstream side. So this is the upstream side. So here you have to apply the vacuum, and here you have to apply that atmospheric pressure. So the pressure difference is created, and by means of that the filtration is carried out. So first, what is meant by vacuum? Vacuum is nothing but any operating system which is operated the pressure below 1 atmosphere. So 1 atmospheric pressure, we have already discussed that it is equal to the 760 millimeters of mercury. So below that pressure, if we operate any system, then it is called a vacuum filter, or sorry, vacuum system. So here we are applying the vacuum. So how the vacuum is applied? You have to just use the vacuum pump, like your liquid pump, centrifugal pump. You have to use a vacuum pump. So vacuum pump you have to use here, and then you can create the vacuum here. That means pressure difference between upstream side and downstream side. Okay, so this is the working principle of vacuum filter. Then we will discuss how the vacuum filters are classified. So vacuum filters are classified as a discontinuous vacuum filters, that means batch filters. Discontinuous means batch filters. So example is vacuum notch filter. So vacuum notch filter is the example of discontinuous batch filter. So batch filter is having just you have to put the filter slurry here, do the filtration and remove the cake, and again you have to put the slurry here, do the filtration, remove the cake, and again. So batch wise you have to use this filter. So that is called a discontinuous vacuum filter. An example is vacuum notch filter. And a continuous vacuum filter, that means inlet, slurry and filtrate outlet. This is continuously, and scraping of this cloth which is deposited on that filter medium is also continuously. So that is called a continuous vacuum filter. And the example of that continuous vacuum filter is the rotary drum filter. Okay, so these are the two equipments that can be used as a vacuum filters. So we will discuss these vacuum notch filter and rotary drum filters in next lecture. So here I would want to conclude the today's lecture. So in this lecture we have discussed how the washing press working is taking place. So this is the washing press working we have discussed, and then we had discussed advantages and disadvantages of the plate and frame filter press, and remaining part we will discuss in the next lecture. Thanks.